What's up, guys? This is Scrappy Bread on the beat, and today we're going to be opening a Dark Powers EX Special Collection box. It comes with 2 promos, 1 oversized or jumbo card, and 5 booster packs. And on the front, this is one of my favorite Absol cards by far so far, from what I've seen.
By far so far.
It's super sick. It's got it's coming out of the card, everything's super sick on that, and it comes with quite a few packs. You got Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, and Paradox Rift.
With the big card.
You flip it over, and on the back you get Gengar EX, which is another sick card. You have, I'm not sure, I think that's Twilight Masquerade again, and then Gay Quaquavel. And then in the back you have a big Bayonet card, big oversized card in the back. So I think right now we're gonna do this first because it comes with the most packs on this side. So we're gonna,
I think you open it all as one, and it comes out all as one.
Oh, okay. You know,
That's
fair. Here we go. Okay, so now we have this Absol. Oh, it's totally just rested right on top. Okay. There's the Absol card right there. You can see the nice glimmer and shine that this card freaking glimmers and shines like crazy, dude. It's got tons of aura coming out of it.
What?
Like Lucario?
I'll put this
Yeah,
over here.
has aura.
I can't see it, but it doesn't matter. I just don't want to hurt this card. You guys saw it, so I'll put it over here. And then we have our 3 packs on one side and then 2 on the other. So I'll just take these out just so it gives us more space and throw this plastic behind me here. We don't need that. Put those off to the side. I also do have a special guest here. We have the Firebird from World Race Firebird right here.
Highway 35.
Halper Paul, my favorite car in the entire world. Pontiac Firebird, 4th gen. All right, enough talking here. We're gonna get to opening some packs.
All right.
This is not the talk show. This is not a podcast. I'm not gonna be doing tons of talking. All right, Feebas. This is amazing off the bat. Feebas, Girafarig, Vulpix. There we go. I don't think you got that one.
No, I have that one.
Kilowattrel, Sandslash, Lucian, Applin, Gurdur, and a Heatran Hollow, and then Basic Energy. And that's all we get from that, which I was expecting to get that. And again, Friday the 13th. I'm not going to get hitters with everything. Yeah, we're going to open this up. But I do hope we get hitters from my booster box. Could you imagine if we got nothing? That'd be awesome.
It's impossible.
I'd go back to that store and start a riot. Alright, let me open this
One
up.
person who didn't get a single cool card.
Oh god. Okay, this is just a Friday the 13th moment. We've got Tandemos coming on strong here. We have Tandemos, Toadschool, Toxel, Spinda, Durant, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Trio Masquerade, Minum, and a Yveltal card which I already have in a Basic Energy. Alright, so I'll put these aside. Alright, we're gonna open this one up.
Get a VMAX double GX.
Yeah, also right. I'm gonna get a VMAX
Double G.
EX. Okay. We have a Litten. We have Shroomish, Lickitung, Slugma, Iron Jugulus, Lycanroc.
What the hell is that?
Salvatore, Sharpedo, Arbok, and an Iron Thorns Hollow card, and then the normal Basic Energy stuff you usually get. Alright, so starting off here with the Gengar. Here's a Gengar, you can take a quick look at that. Beautiful card, absolutely amazing. And we've got 2 more cards. We've got Twilight and Paldea Evolved. So we're going to get opening these up, and there's the Jumbo Bayonet EX card.
That's too big to fit on the frame.
Yeah, that's pretty nuts. So there you go. You got that. You can check that out. Throw this behind me, and then we'll open our last 2 packs. Hopefully we get a hitter. But if we don't, it's okay, because I've got, I don't even know how many Pokemon. 36 packs. So if we don't get any hits out of 36 packs, I'm going to burn down my house, K2's house, Beatsnose's house. Okay, yeah, this is going to be a good pack. Here we go. We got Slowpoke off rip. We have Litleo, Rockruff, Pawmi, Spidops, Pazmanian, Delibird, Ugly, Girafarig, and Oricorio, another awful. So if we get a hit,
this guy, dude, I might actually beat him. I actually got 1 hit out of my 6. I know this is 5, but this is not looking good for Scratch.
He's gonna have 3 hits in this pack.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Super rare,
One
like
pack.
22 cards.
No, it is possible in this. You can get one of those pink cards, an alt art, and then EX.
What's pink card? Like breast
The ace
cancer
back.
awareness? Oh,
Remember
my
those
bad.
remember in like black and white they had those like weird trainer cards that were like rare.
Like the
The one you thought was like a rock.
yeah, the rock.
Yeah. So they brought those back.
Hisuian Growlithe, Monferno, Nose Pass, Farigiraf, Jamming Tower, Glaceon. I love Glaceon. Spinnerack, pretty sweet. Timber and
Oh!
Who's that? That's
my
Slugma?
cargo.
Alright, you
Slugma.
beat me.
I did beat you. I did beat you. In fact, I did.
Damn it!
You even got the fire energy to go along
man.
with
Yeah.
it.
Check that out, dude. That's amazing card. There we go.
Why
You
do you
gotta
like the
hit.
white
You gotta
room?
hit, bro.
Because all those like crystal guys, the background is just
Oh,
white.
they're not like mental asylum though.
Oh my god. So, Scrappy got
There you
my
go.
cargo. And then these two came with the box. We got Absol EX, Gengar EX, and my cargo EX full art.
I'm so
And now-
Now, oh
Our
lord.
next video,
Oh lordy.
which will be after this one, is the what's it called? Stellar Crown
Booster Box.
Booster Box. So check out that video and check out more of our dumb Pokemon openings. You know they suck,
bing, bing,
but
bing,
No, they don't.
bing.
yeah, watch
Subscribe,
There
like
you
video,
go.
turn on that
subscribe,
notification
turn
bell.
on that bell, and
Yep.
Comment.
See you guys in the next one.
Share
Yeah,
share on
absolutely.
Facebook and
Yeah,
share on MySpace.
MySpace, of course.
and
absolutely.
Tumblr.
And Tumblr. And
4chan.
if you're into that, Grinder as well.
Oh, okay. No, we're not doing that one.